How to create custom frames with Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own custom frames with Canva. Okay, so first up, you are going to go to Elements and you can pick the pictures that you want. I just used this picture and this picture, and then I just combined it. Okay, be sure to click on the picture and make the color black for both images. Then you're going to click on Share, Download, and you can download it as a normal PNG. Once downloaded, you go to Photopea and you're going to go to Download and just click there and click on the picture. Okay, so this is how it should look like. To get to this version, we are going to do the following. Okay, you're gonna, let's just delete this and let's go back. Okay, so to get the picture, it was like this. Okay, so it was like this. You're gonna click on magic wand, click and hold in, click on magic wand and click on the image. Then you're going to go to the search bar on top and click clear. Okay, then it should, sorry guys, don't know why it's doing that, but anyway, it should be, there we go. Okay, so then you have it clear. Then you're going to go to File, Export As, and click on PNG, and then you will save it. Okay, once you have downloaded it, it will appear on Canva. Once you've downloaded the image, and it will appear like this. So then you can just make it bigger, and then you can go to Elements again and pick a background, and then set as the image background, and there you have it, guys. Then you can make your own little frame. Let's just make that bigger and move it. And there we go. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment.